The lane keeping system in your Lincoln vehicle is designed to help you stay in your lane and feel confident behind the wheel. This advanced driver assistance system includes a collection of features: lane keeping alert, lane keeping aid, driver alert, and road edge detection. The lane keeping system scans your vehicle's position between the lines on the road ahead and can alert you if you're starting to edge out of your lane. Lane keeping alert warns the driver through haptic feedback, including a series of steering wheel vibration pulses that mimic a rumble strip and a visual warning in the instrument cluster if the system detects an unintentional lane departure. Lane keeping aid also applies steering torque, providing gentle assistance which can help direct you to steer the vehicle back towards the target lane if the system detects an unintended lane departure. You can manage the lane keeping system settings on the center touchscreen by selecting Settings, Driver Assistance, and then Lane Keeping System. Here you can select one of the three modes: Alert, Aid, or Alert plus Aid. There are 3 steering wheel intensity settings to choose from as well. When using the lane keeping system, if your vehicle detects that you have drifted a few times, a coffee cup icon will appear in the instrument cluster, letting you know it's time to take a break. This is the Driver Alert feature. It calculates your alertness level based on your driving behaviors in relation to lane markings and other factors using the front camera. Road Edge Detection uses the forward-facing camera to scan the road ahead as well as to the side. If it detects the vehicle is close to the edge of the road, it provides steering support, which can help direct the driver to steer the vehicle back towards the center of the lane. It will also vibrate the steering wheel to alert and prompt you to steer away from the edge. To turn the lane keeping system on or off, select the lane keeping system from the left-hand steering wheel controls. A message will appear in the instrument cluster that shows if the system is on or off. Thank you for watching.